What's up, everybody? My name is thejjordan, and I wanted to say, come on, get on here and say thank you for my 10,000 subscribers. I hit it. So now I gotta be a person of my word because I said once I hit 10,000 subscribers, I started coming on people's channel as myself. I would try to promote myself more. But I want to say thanks to everybody that's been supporting me, holding it down. And remember, like I always say, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. I holla.
I been to Iraq, I fight for the country, but the country don't fight for me. So let me tell the other people I still come with big dreams. But still I say thank you very much. And I say
Also, I want y'all to know there's gonna be a lot more stuff coming on my channel. You might see, you're not gonna see me eating, but you might see some food stuff. You might see me doing traveling and more sightseeing stuff. But you're gonna be prepared to see a little bit more stuff than I did last year. Gonna be a lot of entertainment. Yeah, you know what I mean? So remember, we got this. Got this. I'm gonna see what I see, and you see what you see. So till next time, peace and hair grease. You like that rhyme? What's up, everybody? My name is thejjordan. I have a question since this is going to be part of my 10,000 subscribers. My question is, should I do a a 10,000 subscribers live party? That is my question. So if you think so, I will put it in just put it in the description because I'm going to have these other videos showing my achievements. And I also want to say thank y'all to the 6 million views as well. 6 million views and 10,000 subscribers. So let's get this thing popping and let me show you what it's about. So let me know. Fitness is key, peace, and hair grease. As you see it, I see you looking. Holla.
and